Hey guys, this is a tutorial on therapeutic mentoring. So when you're doing therapeutic mentoring, you first think that there's some connection between being a therapist and being the guiding, leading figure in the client's daily interactions. So there is a connection somewhere in between. So as a therapeutic mentor, you're going to be focused on setting goals for the client, as well as teaching and looking out for any therapeutic moments. So if you are with a client and this client then needs to be able to sit down and understand why they're feeling what they're feeling, you're there to help them through that. But you're also going to be there to model what they're supposed to be doing. As a therapeutic mentor, you're going to support any outpatient services that they're getting in the home or at a facility. You're going to want to think about the client's diagnosis, if they have some kind of serious mental illness or if they're diagnosed on the spectrum. You're going to want to think about what's age appropriate for the client. Are we going to try to improve their play skills because they're younger? Are we going to try to improve their social interaction skills because maybe they're teenagers and they haven't quite figured it out yet? So, for the therapeutic mentor, in the day-to-day life, you're going to want to think about a treatment plan. Things you're going to always want to address are their ADLs, the activities of daily living. You want to help them navigate the interpersonal conflicts that they have or that might arise both at home or in the community. You're going to want to teach them and help them understand how to connect and relate to others appropriately during recreational and social activities. This can be particularly challenging for our youth that have behavioral problems because they don't understand how other people are necessarily going to feel and react to their behaviors. They just sort of react. So we need to be able to take that step back and catch them before they react and give them an alternative behavior or a replacement behavior. Again, seeing the therapeutic mentor as the assignment, you're going to want to think of yourself as part of a bigger intervention team. Behavioral health, we have, people who specialize in behavioral coaching, or you might have the BCBA helping you out,